back to another episode of Cooking Day in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I made this good round egg omelet, almost like a quiche with an egg omelet. Thank you. We're going to start off with the mushrooms, so we're going to cut them real finely. Tablespoons of oil, of canola oil, or any kind of oil. And we want to put about 2 cups of mushrooms into the pot. Just want to give us a good mix over, real good, very good, like. Mushrooms getting nice, good smell the fumes off that. Of course you can. Add about half a cup of diced up yellow squash. Stir that chopped up squash into the mixture with the mushrooms. We're going to put this back on for this a little longer. Finally, chopped up white onions that we're going to put into the mixture. We're just going to give this a good mix through to combine this onions all through the mushrooms and the squash. A teaspoon of minced garlic to go into the batter with it. Now we're going to give this a stir. Like that. And we'll come back to it. Put it back on the burner for a little bit. Smelling really good. We're going to put a little bit of green onions into the mixture. And then we're going to give that a good mix through. And we'll come back, put it on burner just a little bit longer. 3 eggs, and you want to scramble them very good. Make sure you scramble them very, very, very good. You want to put your eggs right over the top of this. Okay, and you want to take your whisk and you want to scramble these in real, real good into the batter. Come back in a few minutes when they're done. Last thing you want to do, you want to put your squash on top of this, just like that. Just like that. One more piece for this side right here, and then we're going to come back to that. It's finally done. We're going to sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan on the top of it. Right there, pretty good. Anyways, check out that egg omelet, or quiche, whatever you want to call it. I call it egg omelet. Anyways, we're going to give it a taste test in a minute. Okay, well, we're going to do a taste test on this. This is just very tasty. Look at all that cheese. God, that's so tasty. Very good. All that cheese. Anyways, I appreciate you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can get all of my videos. I got videos coming out every day. Y'all have a wonderful day.